Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to basically remove the background music from your videos or from your audio. So the first thing you want to do is you want to download CapCut software. So this function is available on CapCut and Wondershare Filmora, so it's up to you whichever software you like. I will be using CapCut for today's video. So after downloading CapCut and installing it, you want to import the video or audio track into the software. After that, you want to bring this into the timeline of the project, and there you have to right click on the video or audio, and then it's going to show an option for separate audio. You basically have to go on separate audio, and it's going to show you some other features, like you just want to remove a specific type of instrument or you want to remove the vocals. So basically I want to just get rid of the background music. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on remove vocals, and after that it's going to take a couple of minutes depending on the internet connection and how long the video is, and after that it's going to give you a separate vocals or separate voiceover. So what you can do now is, if you just want to remove the background music, you can basically just mute the original video and just use the audio which it has separated. Similarly, if you just want to remove a specific type of instrument from your voiceover, you can also do that, because the software is pretty good this kind of stuff. I just removed the background music and it worked perfectly. I have uploaded this short video on my channel also, and to be honest it's a really good feature, and I've been searching on YouTube for quite a long time. I couldn't really find anything which could do this type of stuff. All I could really see is some websites and all that kind of stuff which were not working, to be honest, for me. So that was the reason why I decided to make this video. So anyways, I will put a link in the description of this software and the Wondershare Filmora, so it will be easy for you to download. So guys, with that being said, like the video if you like it. If you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel, and thanks for watching and goodbye.